Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you one trick to make something like change the Gmail name account of your email. So at the start you have to open the web browser and go to the gmail.com, but remember before switch your web browser to the desktop side. Okay, and now you have to create your new account. This is my fresh account, and how to do it now. Just open the settings, tap on the CL settings, and go to the forwarding and pop IMAP. Now how you can see, you can add a forwarding address, and here type your old email. And now all of the mails from the fresh account will be delivered to your old one. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.